I got two tricks to show you. They're closely related. One you may know about, and another one that I think that many people might not know about. Both have to do with sharing your internet, and you do this by using your Mac to create your own little personal Wi-Fi network. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you're connected to the internet. You're wired connected to the internet with your Ethernet cable. You want to make sure Airport is turned on for this. Then you want to go to sharing, and internet sharing is on for me, but it would be off if you have never done this before. And you want to make sure this is selected from Ethernet to computers using Airport. And if you want to set up a password so no one steals your internet and uses your internet without your permission, make a name for it. I just picked MacBook Pro. And then you can make a password if you want to control it so no one else can use it without your permission. And then you pick OK, and you click that, and start. And you'll see that it says on right here. There's a arrow up here showing you that it's your internet is being shared. Okay, now let's go to my iPod, and I'll show you how this works. Go into settings. And Wi-Fi, and if this is the first time you're doing this, you'll have to click on your whatever you named it. I picked MacBook Pro, so I would click on that. You would have to put in your password, and then you'd be connected, as I already am. So just to show you that I'm connected to the internet, just go to a website. Refresh this website. And there it is. Using the Wi-Fi, using your MacBook Pro as a Wi-Fi, your own little personal Wi-Fi network to hook up devices in the room. Now I'm going to jump back to my Mac now and show you that I'm going to disconnect my internet, and I'll show you that apps like Remote and Air Mouse will still work. The apps that you have to be on your local network to use. So now that you know how to do that, share your internet, and be able to go on Wi-Fi on your other laptop or your iPod Touch or something like that, or other device, I'm going to show you something that you may not know about, and this has to do with sharing your internet with your iPod Touch or iPhone. This would be the only use for this, I guess. If you disconnect your internet, so I'm going to go into settings and show you that my internet is being disconnected. So I'm going to unplug my cable, and you can see that Airport's still on. You want to make sure Airport's still on, and you can see that it's still being shared. But I'm not obviously not able to go to a website right now because I'm not connected to the internet. So the trick is that you can still use your iPod Touch to control stuff like Remote, Air Mouse, and other stuff that uses your connection, your local Wi-Fi connection. So I'm gonna go to my iPod and I'll show you that right now. Okay, now we're back on my iPod. Now you just saw me disconnect the internet. I can't get internet on my computer, and I'll show you that I'm still not connected to the internet. If I go back to that same site and try to refresh it now, you'll see that if you notice at the top there, I am still connected to the internet. I mean, it says that I'm still connected to the internet, but I'm not. As you can see, it won't refresh the page. So if I go back to that app that those apps I was showing you before, and go to Remote, I'll show you that these work without your Mac being connected to the internet. These still work. So as you can see, you can still control it just like you normally would if it was connected to the internet. And just to give you one more example, go to the Air Mouse, and you see it's just connected, and it's on the Finder right now. So you can see how this could be helpful if you don't have internet access somewhere, and you still want to use an app from your iPhone or iPod Touch to control your Mac. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped.